simple tissues. In this topic, we will study about the tissues found in mesophytes and the tissues found in hydrophytes. Let us first understand the tissues in a dicot stem. In a transverse section of a dicot stem, the outermost layer is the epidermis. Next to the epidermis lies the collenchyma tissue. It is made up of living cells, thick at the corners with cellulose. The cells are compactly arranged without intercellular spaces. Next to the collenchymatous tissue are the parenchymatous tissue. This tissue is made up of thin-walled round cells and forms the major component of the stem. The cells are loosely packed with large spaces in between them, called intercellular spaces. To understand another group of tissues, let us now focus on the transverse section of a leaf of a plant, which contain another type of tissue called the sclerenchymatous tissue. It has two parts, palisade and spongy sclerenchyma. The palisade cells are columnar and are arranged at right angles to the upper surface of the leaf. The intercellular spaces are absent. Hence, the cells are compactly arranged. The tissue contains a pigment-containing organelle called chloroplast. Now let us observe the spongy sclerenchyma. The cells in this tissue are round, loosely arranged, and show intercellular spaces. These spaces are interconnected. To learn more about another type of parenchymatous tissue called parenchyma, let us focus our attention on hydrophytes. A cross-section of the stem shows cells which are loosely arranged, thus forming numerous air spaces. Due to such air spaces, plants float on water to obtain sufficient sunlight. Recap: the simple permanent tissue is present in mesophytes. The cross-section of the stem shows collenchyma and parenchyma tissues, and the cross-section of a leaf shows palisade and spongy sclerenchyma tissues. The stem of the hydrophyte shows numerous air spaces.